Steps to change the filter of your Prana Air 2nd Gen N95 mask. Start by detaching the straps from both sides so you can access the motor and filter area easily. Next, gently peel off the silicone layer that covers the motor and filter section. Now, separate the motor filter unit by gently opening it to expose the filter inside. Now, open your accessories box and take out a fresh new filter. Now, remove the used filter and replace it with the new filter. Once done, close the motor filter unit securely. Now press the silicone layer back on, making sure it sits properly. And lastly, reattach the straps. Adjust them as needed and your mask is ready to use again with a clean filter. And you're done. Like, share and subscribe to Prana Air.